To record audio on your phone, you can either mount the receiver to your phone using the adapter or connect the transmitter to your phone via Bluetooth. Power on the transmitter and receiver, and complete the linking. Remove the sliding cover from the bottom of the receiver, then insert the adapter. Plug the adapter into the data port of your phone. Attach the transmitter to your collar using the clip or magnet. The phone can now capture audio through the transmitter, supporting video recording, audio recording, video conferences, or live streaming apps. For extended filming or live streaming, it is recommended to use the adapter to attach the receiver to the phone. After mounting, when using the charging cable to charge the receiver, the phone can be charged simultaneously. Power on the transmitter and press the linking button to start linking. Enable Bluetooth on the phone and select the name of your microphone among the searched Bluetooth devices to connect. Connection is successful when the status LED on the transmitter is in solid blue. The transmitter will then function as an audio input device and can be used with third-party recording or live streaming apps.